Hi everyone. I wanted to give you a brief instructional video about how to allow editing of posts by your students when you design your own online course. Thanks to those of you who gave me that feedback that you really could have used that tool in our courses last week. I have to confess some first-time instructor knowledge gap there because I hadn't done that with students before, so it was a new practice to me. So thanks for bringing that up, and let me show you how it's done. When you become an online instructor here at Edgewood, you will have editing capability of courses within Blackboard. So here I am in our discussion board area, and I know that I can edit something in Blackboard because I get this down arrow here. So this is our discussion on Adult Learning Resource Review. If I click on this down arrow, it will give me a menu. I'm going to go into Edit. And this is where I build the discussion forum. When I am done building it, there are some choices as I scroll down here, when I want it available, how I want it graded, that type of thing. So what I can do here is I can select a box that says Allow Author to Edit Own Published Posts. So I have that here. And I can just click that, and then from that point on, anyone can go in and edit their posts. Now, I have not worked with anonymous posts, but Rebecca has, so I invite you, if you want to learn more about how to do that and when that might be a good scenario to use, I invite you to talk with her about it. There's one more thing I wanted to show you if I can. Here, let me just change my screen. I also wanted to let you know I have been having a lot of trouble working in Blackboard with different browsers over the course of our time together. I usually work in Chrome, but it's been giving me difficulty. For example, I will post a reply to a discussion forum, I'll click submit, and it will disappear. So I just wanted to remind you for your own help going forward that feel free to try using Blackboard or any other application that you're using on your system in different browsers if one doesn't work. So here I'm using Firefox. If I didn't feel like that was working, I would go over to Chrome or maybe to Explorer. So what I hear from Dennis is that occasionally a server might be down on that browser. There might be a piece of the programming that they're updating. These servers and these browsers are so huge and so all-encompassing now. There are just times when pieces of them don't work. So you may just find for your own functionality that you have to move between one or the other. And that's why we often give that tip. That is also going to be one of your go-to tips for your students if they're having trouble finding something you've put in the course or making something function. So that's that. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.